Are you tired of staring at those painless, lifeless walls? Want to add a modern, eye-catching touch to your space? Well, today we are diving into the world of geometric wall decor, bold, artistic and effortlessly stylish. Whether you love sleek symmetry or abstract asymmetry, I've got the perfect picks to make your walls the stars of the show. So let's get started. Geometric designs are all about structure, balance and bold aesthetics. From intricate patterns to abstract shapes, they create a stunning focal point that elevates your space. And guess what? These Amazon finds will do just that. Transform your home with minimal effort. First, soft art home modern wall art lion head. So let's start with the bold statement piece, guys. The soft art home modern lion head wall decor with its sharp angles and 3D effect. It brings fierce elegance to your space. Whether you're a fan of strong, commanding decor or just want to add a touch of power to your interiors, this geometric lion will do the trick for you. Number 2 we have is Blind Shop set of 2 modern metal wall art. For those who love symmetry, this set of 2 modern metal wall art from Blind Shop is perfect choice. The clean lines and balanced design bring a sense of harmony to your home. These pieces are ideal for minimalist and contemporary space. Think sleek and chic. Next up we have the Ultra Shine Home Decor Modern Round Metal Wall Art. This one is a mix of artistic elegance and contemporary charm. The gold, black and white accents add a luxurious feel, making it a great choice for everyone who loves sophisticated interiors. Fourth, now if you're into modern minimalism, you'll love this Painting Mantra Art of Lines 3-panel set. The abstract, clean lines create a subtle yet stunning focal point. This set works beautifully in neutral spaces, adding just the right amount of depth and creativity to your home. Fifth, want to add a natural touch to your walls? This boho abstract wood wall art from Shilp Handicraft is all about earthy vibes. Moon, sun and nature inspired cutout design creates a beautiful play of light and shadow, giving your space a warm, organic feel. Sixth, for a contemporary yet boho touch, check out the Art Street Boho Pictures wall art prints. The mix of earthy tones and geometric patterns makes it versatile, perfect for your living room, bedroom or even your workspace. Seventh, looking for a luxurious statement piece, this Ultra Shine Home Decor Modern 3D Creative Rounds wall art is just that. The deep blue and golden accents add a rich, high-end aesthetic, making any space feel refined and artistic. Lastly, if you love bold, modern and timeless decor, this mid-century geometric metal wall art set is the perfect pick. The fluid lines and striking symmetry creates a visual illusion that adds depth and intrigue to your walls. So there you have it, 8 stunning geometric wall decor pieces to transform your home. So whether you prefer bold statements, minimalist elegance or boho aesthetics, there's a piece for every style. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you're watching this video on Instagram, check out our product link in bio, and on YouTube, check the description box. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Time Shopping Guide, as it's your guide to smarter home.